In this video, I'm going to show you how to access trial data for a particular trial group. You can access a trial group from two locations. First, on the dashboard, and also from the sidebar. Let's go ahead and select a trial group. The first thing you'll notice is you have options on the side to select trials, but let's narrow them down a bit. I'm only interested in seeing trials that were in the year 2018 and in the northern states. Now that I've got a reduced list of manageable trials, it's simple to view the data by selecting the trials I'm interested in. Once my data loads, I can easily keep track of what trials I have selected by the colorful labels listed at the top. These labels not only tell me what trials I have selected, but also inform me if there are images or additional reports available. To view these images, just click on the image icon. Different trial groups have different groups of data. For example, in the one I have selected here, you will notice there is general, field, process, and storage data. Let's look at field data. I can now see all of the field data collected across the trials I previously selected. You will notice that the data is spread across multiple pages, and I can simply navigate between all the pages with the navigation provided in the bottom right corner. You probably aren't just interested in looking at all the data collected. You want to get meaningful answers from the data. Let's look at how we can filter down all this data to get the results we are looking for. In the top right corner, I can click on the Filter Data icon to reveal my filter management panel. I'm going to select specific gravity and adjust my sliders to begin filtering the data results. You can stack as many of these data filters as you want to continue narrowing down your results. Notice we are starting to see our data set be reduced to only the entries that match the filters applied.